Hello everyone. Today we're going to enable user to send requests to the server for adding new links. So before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So as you can see here, we're going to make this button clickable, and whenever the user clicks on it, this bottom sheet will show up, and this allows user to add new links. So as you can see here, the user can type the title here, then he can or she can add the links here. And as you notice here, we have only 20 characters for the title, and we have 45 characters for the links. So the length is going to be 45 and here 20. And first we're going to define two text editing controls. The first one is going to be for the title, and the second one is going to be for the link. This for adding the link as soon as the user finishes typing the link, clicking on this link, and the request will be posted to the server, and then it's going to be inserted into the database. And in case the user changes mind about adding a new link, he can just close this bottom sheet by clicking on this close button, and that's it. So let's get started. Just now open your Android Studio, and here we're going to complete where we left off. So first we're going to define two text editing controls. So just final text editing control, this one, yeah. Then I will call it title and make it private, equal text editing control. The second one is going to be for the link, final text editing control link equal text editing control. So we're going to start here on press inside this floating action button. Here on pressed, then just type show modal bottom sheet, this one, and here we're going to pass the context. I'm going to make this in a new line. Even here we'll make it a function, then pass the context to it. You might ask yourself, why are we passing the context? The context will allow this widget to know where it is within the widget tree. This is the widget tree. So that's it. Then single view. Starts with capital single child scroll view. This one. Then open parentheses. Then inside of it, the child is going to be container. And we will give this container, we will add a decoration to it. So just type decoration, then box decoration. Then the background is going to be, I'm gonna make it white. So colors dot white. Yeah. Then comma. Then add. So we got this squiggling red lines because of this extra closing parentheses. Then here I'm going to add a child for this, where is it? For this container. Sorry, it must be outside the box decoration. Child. It's going to be another container. And I will give it this margin agent set agents dot all. I'm gonna give it 15. Then the child of this container is going to be a column. Child column. Why column? Because as you can see here, we have this text, then under it we have this text field, then link, so all of these elements are placed under each other. That's why we need the column. That means we need children, and this column widget is a multi child, so that's why. Children. Then we will make the cross-axis alignment stretched. So just type here cross-axis alignment stretch. Yeah, the first one. Then add the comma. Then inside here, I'm going to add this text, as you can see here. Add a new link. So here we're going to have the first child. It's going to be text. Add a new link. Just remove this comma and put it here. Now I'm gonna style it. Just type style, then text style, then I'm gonna make the font size about 31. Yep, 31. Then font weight, I will make it bold. Bold. Then the color, I'll make it matches the I mean to make everything consistent, so I'll make it matches the app bar. So it's going to be colors, the red accent, then add a comma here, and let's run the app and see the new result. Here we got an error message because I forgot to add a semicolon here. Now I'm gonna click on this. Let me see. Actually, it didn't show up, so let's see what we got wrong here. It says here no media query weight found. So yep, actually I forgot to add it here, so I'm gonna add it now. Here in this the first container here, just add a new line, then just type padding agent sets, then only, just add bottom, yep, media query of context dot view instance, yep, dot bottom. I think now it should work with no issues. I just clicked hot reload. Let me see. No, I need to rebuild the application again. Sometimes you have to uninstall this app and reinstall it again. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just uninstall it, then click OK. Then just here, all you have to do, just type Flutter clean to clean your project. No, just run it again. Let's see if it's gonna work or not. Still have an issue with it. We got the error message because I forgot to wrap this floating action bottom with a builder. What I mean is this: a builder for the contents of the sheet. The bottom sheet will wrap the widget produced by this builder in material widget. So all we have to do is just come here and click on Alt, then Enter, then add a new widget. Just rename it to Builder, then Builder again, then make it a function and context, then remove this comma, then equal, greater than. That's it. And also here I forgot something. I forgot to add this line is controlled. Yep, just make it true. And let's stop running the app, clean the project, uninstall the app from the virtual device. This one, just then run the app again. So I'm gonna test this button again and see we got it here. Good. That means it's working. It just popped up, so that means this is the bottom sheet. Now I'm going to add the two text fields, as you can see here. No, this one. As you can see here, this is the first one for the title, and the second one, and those two buttons. So let's just add them now. Also, I need to make this to align this text to the center. All you have to do, just come here and type text align dot center, then add a comma, then hot reload it. Let's see now. Yeah, it's in the center now. Now here, just add a new line and add new text. Sorry, no text field. No text field. Controller, then title. The first controller is going to be for the title, and the max length of the character is going to be 20. You can make it as much as you can. You can increase or decrease the number as you like. Then autofocus true. The autofocus means when you make it true, when you set it to true, whenever this bottom sheet pops up, the keyboard will show up as well at the same time. Then here I will add this decoration, input decoration. Then first the label text, it's going to be title, and the hint, you can give the user hint. It's not required, but it's better to give it a hint. Type your title here. So that's everything for the first field. I'm gonna click hot reload and see the final result we got here. Just click back button and then reopen it. So now I'm going to add the link. So all you have to do, just copy this one and paste it here. All we have to change is this one, link, sorry, link. I'll make it 45. We don't need this one because it's already there. It's going to be link. Here, type your link here. Then just leave a note for the user. Please make sure to shorten the URL. That's it. And again, click on this hot reload. Yep, no. If you want the hint to show up, just click on this field and it will display the hint for the user. And now we have, and now I'm going to add the two buttons. The first one's going for adding, and the second one for closing this bottom sheet. Here I'm going to add sized box and give it the height of around let's say 19 would be good. Then comma. And now I'm going to add the flat button. The child's going to be text. Add. I'll make the button green. I mean the background of the button is going to be green. So colors dot green. Sorry, dot green. Yep. Then on press, make it a function, anonymous function. Then add a comma here. Now just gonna click on hot reload and see how it looks. Good. We have it in the right place. So now we have the last thing to do, which is the closing button. Just copy this button and paste it under it and change the text to close, sorry, and make it red. And then click on hot reload and let's close it and see again. Yep, good. Now if you want, there is no effect. If you want to close this bottom sheet, just add this line here. On press inside of this function, just add navigator. Yep. The pop context. Now let me just click hot reload again and test it. Just open it. As you can see, whenever you click on this close button, it's going to close it up.